sweetie darling. Plenty sacrifice for love.
I like that smile. Your teeth is white.
Son,
Mother.
let's go to the dining.
Awesome. It's time for us to eat. Come on, let's go.
Fred, why would you do that?
Why would I do what?
She stays up till we're done eating.
What?
I barely met her.
Mother, what does that even mean?
To the dining, now.
For sweetie darling, plenty sacrifice for love, negodi. I fit to do anything. For sweetie darling, I fit to do anything. For my love, I fit to do anything. For sweetie darling, love, you're my choice. Now you dare my heart. Love, you're my choice. Now you dare my heart.
Mother. How did it go? I hope you did not intimidate the poor innocent girl.
Oh, you mean the poor innocent gold digger?
What is that supposed to mean? What happened?
Nothing.
Come on,
Just
Mother.
that I wonder where you meet those girls.
Mother, what happened? What went wrong?
Nothing much. I just found out she's one of them.
One of what?
Easy. Oh. Oh my word. Oh. Weight of the crown.
Sacrifice for love, negodi. I fit to do anything. For sweetie darling, I fit to do anything. For my love, I fit to do anything.
Fred, you need to take me out of this place. I guess I've overstayed my welcome.
Please sit down.
No, I don't want to sit down. I need to leave before I say something I would regret.
I understand. You will leave. But can you just sit down so we can talk a little bit? Please. I promise I won't waste your time. Sit, please.
I'm fast about it because every second I stay here irritates the hell out of me.
First of all, I want to say I am sorry. I'm sorry for how my mother treated you. Okay? I am apologizing on behalf of my mother. Please.
It's okay, but I need to leave.
Sure. Certainly. We will go. Okay? But just give me some time to sort things out. And then we can go.
Whatever you have to do, be fast about it. The more I stay here, the more irritated I get. I need to leave.
My prince, go and seek to meet with your guest.
I won't go in there again. I will not. Please, take me home. If you won't do that, I would have to find my way back home.
Tell my mother that we're coming.
Okay, my prince.
Do I look like a joke to you? Am I kidding?
No, you're not kidding, please. Just calm down. Remember, I told you about my mother's behavior. Okay? She's not doing this because of you. It's nothing personal. It's just because of her experience with many other women.
I am not many other women. My name is Tonia. I haven't done anything wrong to your mom. Fred, take me out of this place immediately. Please, I am beginning to lose it.
Then be you. Okay? Do you. Be yourself. I know you to be a very patient and understanding person. I know you to be the kind of girl that will go to any length to get things done. please be patient. Wait until you meet my mother. Please, just give me this opportunity and I'll be greatly pleased. Okay?
I want the best for my son. Because he's king in waiting of this kingdom.
Which is?
You said you love my son and you can do anything to have him as your life partner.
Why do you ask, my queen?
Answer my question, Tonia.
You're right, my queen. I love Prince Fred so much. I desire to spend the rest of my life with him.
Are you ready to drop your status? What you think you are and come stay with me here? I want to monitor you to know if you are suitable to be my son's wife. It is not easy to carry the crown of this kingdom. Are you ready? Son, in all honesty, I feel bad whenever I see you looking depressed and heartbroken. Because girls have really taken advantage of you. They know you have a good heart. If Tonia is for you, we will know.
How?
You can pick your call, we'll talk later. Excuse me.
Hello? So what happened, Tonia?
Well, I don't blame your mother. But I understand the queen's feeling. What she's doing is what every woman would do to protect her only son, considering your experience with other girls.
What are you driving at?
Your mother asked I stay with her for a while. That she needs to stay with me, monitor me, and be certain that I'm good enough for her son.
Monitor you? How? Like, what is my mother up to? Wait, what was your response? What did you tell her?
I told her I would have to revert. I need to speak with my parents and tell them. But you don't have to worry yourself. It's not a problem. I will do everything to make sure she sees me differently. I believe she's doing all of this because of your experience. It's not a problem.
Oh no, you now understand what I have to deal with. See what I've been going through.
Well, my prince, you have spoken well, really. But let me start from your simplicity. For that's where your mom, the queen, is always complaining bitterly about. And if not for the fact that the elder spoke with you after the king's burial, most of us wouldn't have even understood you better.
Exactly. Oh no, that's my point. It's not my style. That's not my way of life. I don't like all these maidens, security guards, all the royal activities. All those things are not for me. They do not please me at all, at all.
Sorry, those are part of the symbols of a prince, princess, queen, and even a king. It's necessary for your security. You never can tell. Anything can.
It's all right. Oh no. I would find a way to adjust. So, fresh pan wine?
I think I'm not in the mood for that now.
Oh no, I am happy you are the one he came to see. I'm so happy about the things you said you told him on your way coming to the palace. I just hope he will listen.
All the same, my queen. He's a full-grown man now. That's why we're forcing him to come down and take over as the king.
And that is when he's married.
Of course. But he still has the right to make a choice as a man.
And as his mother and the queen of this land, I want to make sure that he makes the right choice. Oh no, I know what Fred went through emotionally. And I know what I went through with him as his mother. So I'm sorry I have decided that any woman that is coming into his life must come through me. Yes.
Well, there is sense in what you have just said, my queen. You see, now that he's a full-grown man that knows his left from his right, I believe that is why he came home with this woman. Because he has found her worthy of becoming the next queen of this kingdom.
Till I certify her worthy. Like I said, Onowo, Ichie Amadi of this great kingdom, you've always spoken well, but my word stands.
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me on the whole. I don't do anything to get to you on the whole season.
Mother, you were hostile to her.
Don't spoil my mood. I'm eating.
And I'm not, as you can see. And I'm not in a good mood either, Mother. I mean, how can you comfortably sit here and enjoy your meal when the only son you have, the only son you claim to love, is not happy?
You want us to talk about it?
Yes. Let us talk about it, Mother. I am not a child. Stop treating me like one.
Well, what your father would do, that's what I am doing.
That's a lie. Papa will not treat my guest and I so bad. He wouldn't do that.
If he wouldn't, then know it that I will, and I've done it. Need I remind you what I said earlier? Any woman that wants to be with you, that wants to become the queen of this great kingdom, must come through me. And that's final.
Mother, how do you sleep at night?
Peaceful. Peaceful as ever. Like a newborn baby.
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me on the whole. I don't do anything to get to you on the whole season.
How was the occasion you went for? Hope great.
Yes, Mom, it was amazing. I was warmly welcomed.
Are you sure everything went well?
Yes, Mom, everything did went well. Why'd you ask?
The way you answered the question is either you are not telling me the truth or something happened and you are covering up for that.
Nothing happened. If there's anything, I'll tell you. Are you not my mom?
Okay, I believe you.
I need to make a call, Mom.
All right.
I'll be in my room.
Okay.
Yes, I can hear you. No.
Son, in all honesty, I feel bad whenever I see you looking depressed and heartbroken. Because girls have really taken advantage of you. They know you have a good heart. If Tonia is for you, we will know.
How?
You can pick your call, we'll talk later. Excuse me.
Hello?
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me.
How is everything?
Everything is amazing. I'm
Okay.
here to tell your mother that I've accepted her proposal. Her challenge, rather.
What? You must be joking, right?
I'm damn serious.
Are you mad?
Yes. I am madly in love with you. It's also an opportunity for me to see you often.
This cannot happen.
It will happen, my love, because that's the only possible means of having you in my life. I can't afford to lose you. Mothers can go any length to protect their son, let alone an only son.
Wait. Hold on, please. Wait. How do you want to go about it?
Listen, I'll find a way. Okay? If I say no to your mother's challenge, she will do everything to destroy this relationship. This relationship will naturally die. I don't want that to happen. So, I'll do my best. You're worthy of it all, and I'm here for it.
So, today...
Mother, why is she standing? Let the girl sit down.
Fred,
Yes, Mother.
we've been talking before you came in. Manners, please. What was the last thing we said again?
My queen, I said I am ready to stay here for you to monitor me. I've accepted your challenge, man.
All right then. It has to be on my own terms.
What are the terms?
I'm not done talking. You will stay with the maids in their own room.
Mother. No.
Then she has to use the door and never return. Meanwhile, if you are remaining here, you are not allowed outside until I am done with you. Deal or no deal?
Deal, my queen.
More like it. Now leave. So tell me, what do you want to do?
What of Tonia? Has she not come back?
No, my husband. And her lines are not going through.
And what do you call that?
I don't know.
Have you spoken to her friend Gina?
No, but we do that later.
Do it right away.
I will.
I want to know what she said when I get back. I'll be on my way.
Plenty sacrifice for love, oh, nigga. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. I fit to do anything for my love. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. The way we love, the way we you're my choice.
Wait. What is it? Wait. Imagine girls. For a girl to leave her father's house just to come to the palace to serve in order to get close to the prince.
Wait, is that all you heard? That means you didn't hear well.
Then tell us the one you heard correctly, Rose.
she didn't just come to the palace to get close to the prince. She came so that she can be the prince's wife.
Are you sure you're okay? Or the Kwama?
I am fine, I'm okay.
Then what is she saying?
I know what I heard.
I think Rose is right, Jacinta.
How?
For her to leave the palace and come back with the prince for the second time, my dear, she's here to get the prince, oh.
Hey, you see this place when I don't they carry me go where I don't know. I dey beg the both of her. I don't have hair in my armpits. Even down there, I don't have hair. Please, oh. Sorry, oh. I was not here when you both had this conversation.
Wait, Jacinta, you think I'm joking?
Let her go.
Shoma, this girl thinks I'm joking. Oh. Well, we are all in this palace and we are going to see it all unfold in this palace.
We are here now.
That. Hey, God, let me go before they come and...
Plenty sacrifice for love, oh, negodi.
Hello, Tonia. Come on, cheer up. You don't have to listen to everything they said, okay?
How did you know my name?
I came around when Her Majesty was talking with you.
So what's your own name?
Mary. My name is Mary. If you need any help in this palace, please let me know so that I can assist you on how to go about everything.
Thank you so much, Mary.
Lastly, do not listen to anything gossip in this palace because I know them. They can gossip for Africa.
Thank you.
Just cheer up, okay?
I will.
Alright.
Thank you.
Plenty sacrifice for love, oh, negodi. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. I fit to do anything for my love. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling.
How can you say you don't know your best friend's whereabouts, Gina? Do you know that you two are like sisters?
I know, Mom. But she didn't say anything to me.
And what are you thinking?
Ma? Nothing, actually. But I'm just thinking about where she might be by now. I'm worried.
And when did she start behaving like that? Tonia, my child, is a well-trained child. She's well-trained.
Honestly, Mom, I can't say. I don't know. But I will make inquiries.
Plenty sacrifice for love, oh, negodi. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. I fit to do anything for my love. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. Love, you're my choice. Now you dey my heart. Love, you're my choice. Now you dey my heart. No mind them at all, love more. My heart is made up for you. I will stand for you day and night. No matter the threat and the hate. You're my choice. The day I met you, can't you mala ni love more. I fit to do anything for my love.
Let her be.
I fit to do anything for sweetie darling.
I'm not happy about what is happening. It doesn't make sense.
I'm sorry, this is no longer in your hands. She's made her choice.
No, she didn't make the choice. You forced her into it.
Forced her into it? As long as I'm concerned, she has every right to object. But she didn't. So? May I see you inside? Now. After you, please.
Plenty sacrifice for love, oh, negodi. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. I fit to do anything for my love. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. Love, you're my choice. Now you dey my heart. Love, you're my choice. Now you dey my heart. Do anything for sweetie darling. Plenty sacrifice for love, oh, negodi. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. I fit to do anything for my love. I fit to do anything.
Fred. Prince, please, allow me to do my job. If your mother sees us together, she will definitely punish me.
Calm down. Relax, okay? It is my mother we're talking about here, right?
Not in this context. She's the queen. She has given an order, and her order I must obey.
Okay.
Please,
all right.
Allow me to do this job, please.
It's okay. It's okay. You will. It's just that you and I have not spoken in a long while.
I can't do that right now.
Please, can you just give me some time so that we can talk when you're done working?
No, I won't do that. I left my parents to be here. I am doing this for a purpose. It's for us. Yes. I wouldn't have you ruin it.
Tonia, come on. I'm the one you're doing this for. It is because of me you're in this position.
Then let me do it. Allow me to concentrate, please.
Okay, fine. I'll just wait for you here. We'll talk when you're done.
Please.
I'm here. I won't bother you. I just want to keep you company.
I'll clean somewhere else.
No, Tonia. Wait. Tonia.
Plenty sacrifice for love, oh, negodi. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. I fit to do anything for my love. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. Love, you're my choice. Now you dey my heart. Love, you're my choice. Now you dey my heart. No mind them at all.
My queen, you sent for me.
Yes.
The prince is outside with a guest. I want you to go serve them.
All right, my queen.
All right. One more thing. Don't mess things up.
All right, my queen.
Good.
I love your mood right now. You seem to be very happy.
Yes, you always make me happy.
Really?
Yes.
I wouldn't want to take that credit yet.
Why not? You know my cute husband to be.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, I can say one thing for sure. You have a beautiful skin.
You can say that again. Everything for you, my love.
So tell me, what are the things you do for fun? What are your hobbies?
I love swimming.
Oh, really?
Traveling.
Spending money?
Yeah.
Sounds nice.
Shopping.
Spending money?
Yeah. I like to be everywhere. This is the drink.
Thank you very Thank you very much.
For you and your guest.
What is it?
How dare you? How dare you eye me like that? Who is she?
What did she do?
Who is this commoner? Good for nothing idiot, this dirty pig. Can you imagine she eyed me like I took her man? Did I take your man? Did I? Do you want me to give you?
Don't do that. Please don't. That's against my rules. Calm down, okay?
I don't get it. Why are you telling me to calm down? You should be talking to her like she insulted me. What are you even saying?
Listen, if anybody is to be punished in this palace, that is my responsibility. Because this is my palace, okay?
Then do it. Start doing it right now, because I will not have these good for nothing dirty brats eye me like that. And you expect me to keep quiet. I will not keep quiet.
It's enough. It's enough, okay? Control your anger.
You can tell me to control my anger. This is how you give them the room. Oh, you're still eyeing me. Is something wrong with you? Hey. Do you want me to break your head?
Enough. Tonia.
Just take a look at her.
Tonia, please leave.
You even telling... Wait. Why are you telling her calmly? You should give her a dirty slap. You should give her a dirty slap.
She's a woman like you.
She's a woman like me.
You shouldn't be treating her that way.
Oh, really?
That is wrong.
You
just
do
sit
something.
down. She brought us a drink.
She didn't just bring us a drink.
You overreact.
There's more to it. Don't tell me that.
You're overreacting.
Leave me. Just leave me.
Listen, the moment we pop this drink now and have some glass, everything will be fine.
I don't want. Peck me.
What?
Peck me.
What has that to do with the way you feel now?
Peck me. I'll go crazy. Just peck me.
You did not tell me you're a drama queen.
I said you should peck me.
It's okay. I will. How about that?
I'm going to tell her Majesty. She will get it. Where's that stupid job?
This girl is crazy.
You must marry me. On the whole season. Marry me. On the This life is amazing. Everything happens like it.
Tonia, why are you so worried? I thought you said you were going to see the queen.
I did. The queen asked me to serve the prince and his guest outside. Surprisingly, the prince was with another woman, a princess.
Oh, now I get the picture.
It's not even about the woman. It's about how the prince stood there and watched her disrespect me. Rained insult, abuse on me. She almost broke my head with a bottle.
Oh, my goodness. I understand how you feel. But I believe he owes a very big apology in the closet, not here, Tonia.
I don't need his apology. I do not need it.
I believe the prince knows what he's doing. And do not forget the reason why you are here in the palace.
That's not enough reason for him to humiliate me to this extent.
Well, I believe with time he will explain that to you, okay? Tonia, I know you must have to face temptations and trials. You need to overcome. Okay? Don't be too hard on yourself, please.
Thank you, Mary, but I need to be left alone. Please.
Okay then, just take it easy on yourself.
Mother, he owes me an apology. And with something really nice. Else, I won't accept it.
Son, did you hear her? Son, are you listening? Did you hear that?
Mother, I have ears.
You have ears? It's not all about you having ears. It's about you doing the right thing. Come on, you embarrassed me. You did, in front of a common maid. A common maid. I, Princess Joy. Oh my God, I would take it.
I said I have heard.
Hey, where are you going to?
Joy.
Mom?
Let him be.
But why is he working out on us? That's so wrong.
Sit. He's not happy we're dictating for him. Men with their egoistic nature. Especially him being the prince. Allow him.
Mother, honestly, I'm not happy. I am not. And I don't understand. I hope Fred is not looking for an avenue to just avoid me and stay away from me, because I, Princess Joy, I will not give him that breathing space. I will not.
Oh, he's not. Of course, you're not going to give him any breathing space. Never. See, allow him to come around. Okay? So tell me, what do you care for?
I really want something really chilled. I need to calm down my temper, because right now I am going from 1 to 100. I need something really chilled. That's a period.
Can you calm down? Now just shake it off. Yeah. It's nothing. You see that thing? She's a passing phase. Okay? Who's there?
What do we call this, Jida? How can my daughter disappear without telling anyone her whereabouts? What if something happens to her?
Mom, nothing will happen to Tonia. After all, she's a big girl. She can take good care of herself.
No. I disagree with you, Gina. No big girl behave this way. Big girls inform someone where they are going, should anything happen.
Nothing will happen to her, okay? Just relax. Nothing will happen to her. I assure you.
This is what I keep saying to the ears of my husband. But he ignored me. He went to the police station and laid a complaint. And the police is on it.
Oh God. Tonia, where are you? Why are you doing this? Mom, please. Relax. I will keep searching for her, and I will keep asking friends to see if they know her whereabouts.
It's all good. Tonia should pray that nothing happens to her before the police get to her.
Nothing will happen to her.
I pray so.
Stupid girl. Others came to search for the betterment of our kingdom, but she came lately came so the prince can notice you. You have seen how you're being noticed. I'm not sure. Where you are? Ifeyiwa, what is it? Why are you insulting her like that?
Why won't I attack her? Why won't I attack her? So if you're being asked now, you said that we all came here for the same purpose, Abby?
Who told you? Who told you that we came here for the same purpose?
Mary, we all came here for the same purpose, and that is to serve.
Even if we all came here for the same purpose, the main purpose we are here is to serve.
What really happened, Ifeyiwa?
What is it?
What brought about this purpose of a thing?
Oh. Imagine Tonia trying to compare herself because she thinks her family is well-to-do.
Not be only well-to-do. Is my family not well-to-do? But I'm here in the palace serving. All because I love their job now.
If she feels her family is well-to-do, then she should chase the prince outside the palace and save herself some embarrassment. As long as we all are here, no one is bigger than anyone.
Now, wow. Now get in her mouth, Sha. Tonia, what is it? What happened?
I don't blame you. You have your mouth and you can say whatever you deem fit. You all are called.
I don't know why you all are attacking her like that. I don't understand. What is it?
Too much gossip in this palace.
Mary, I beg her. She made it, so she brought it on herself.
Let's go. Because I don't want you. Won't you stand up?
What is it? You want to attack me now? I'm not Tonia because I will give it to you hot.
For sweetie darling, plenty sacrifice for love, nigga. I fit to do anything. For sweetie darling, I fit to do anything. For my love, I fit to do anything.
Hey, calm down. You can't avoid me forever. The earlier you accept my request, better for you.
You must be delusional. Is there something wrong with your head? Are you mad? Why would you touch me like that? Do I look like your mate in this palace?
Hey, stop it. I'm okay.
If you dare try me again, I'll make sure I report you to the queen.
I'll make you.
Don't touch me.
Relax.
Collins, what is wrong with you? Are you out of your mind?
Did he touch you? Did he touch you?
He won't try it. If he dares me, I'll break his head and leave this palace at once.
I will suggest you report him to Her Majesty so that I won't try that again next time.
Don't worry. I wouldn't want to heat up things. There'll be no need reporting him to the Majesty.
As someone who has been here before you, I would still suggest you report him to Her Majesty.
I appreciate your concern, but don't worry. I wouldn't want to heat things up.
Okay.
Thank you. He won't dare.
Sam, this is unheard of. You're telling me that you don't know your friend's whereabouts and you're literally doing nothing about it?
I had issue with Rita. Ever since then, Fred has found it so difficult to forgive me from his heart. He does not share anything with me. I have tried to reach him with all his contact that I have. To no avail, so I don't know what else to do.
Wait. Does this mean that they've traveled out? Yes, because I overheard them discussing about it.
No. Travel out. No. Fred can't do that. He's far too bigger than that. Even if he does. So many things is at stake because he is the prince of his kingdom.
Okay, Sam, then let's go to his kingdom. Yes, let's go to his kingdom because I am no longer finding this funny. Let's go and make some inquiries.
What kind of inquiries? What if he is not there? And we went and unveiled some certain things he do not want his kingsmen to know. What am I going to do then? Please don't initiate me into that. I have not even come out of the one I committed and you want to create another trouble for me. No, I'm not in for that.
Okay, let's go to his office. Yes, at least we can get something from there as well.
What do you think you can get from his company? He must have told them otherwise.
Wait. Did I hear you say his company?
Yes.
Wait, what do you mean his company?
Okay, you don't know. Oh, that's one of his family's company. You know Fred, my guy, is a very simple guy. He lives his life on a low. So, he's a very simple guy. He doesn't like all those unnecessary announcements.
Wow. This guy is so secretive.
Very, very secretive.
Now, how do they expect us to know their whereabouts if they keep being this secretive? How?
Very simple. You will stay. They will find you and come. Not you going for them. You very
well then. Very well. Okay.
You may enter.
Good day, my friend.
How is Tonia? I hope she's faring well. Be sure to join in getting her acquainted with everything in this palace. It's not easy for one to get used to things here in a short space of time.
Yes, my prince. She's doing very well.
Good. What is it?
My prince, it's about what happened some hours ago.
What happened? That's a question.
Nothing, my prince.
If you move an inch, I will deal with you decisively.
I'm sorry, my prince.
What is it you wanted to tell me? What happened?
Baby.
Yes.
Today, we're going to have so much fun.
All right. Anything to make you happy.
You know I love to hear that.
Certainly.
Yeah.
Anything you want, I will do just to make you happy. You know what?
Yeah.
Something just came up. I just realized that I'm supposed to be in a meeting right now. And it's like a Zoom meeting. I have to be online. I don't have to move around. I have to be in my home office. So why don't you just move on with the driver? I'll join you later. Listen, the meeting is important and I cannot miss it, okay?
Important more than your wife.
Take the car.
Your queen.
They will take you anywhere you want to go.
Don't say that. Now get into the car.
No, I can't.
Don't tell me that. So
Calm
you want
down.
to tell me the meeting is more important.
Calm down. I know you. I'll make it up to you, okay?
Don't tell me you'll make it up to me. Today is my day, and don't allow me to unleash my anger on you. Don't allow me. Fred! Don't do that! Fred! You can't do that to me! Fred!